is x. Just take one pen and paper and just tell me, if I multiply 3x square plus 2x plus 1 with 4x plus 5, what will be the number of nodes? If I multiply 4x square plus, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5, then what will be the number of nodes? What will be the total? Means if you multiply, what will be your total number of elements in the result? Just take pen and paper and do the.
Ma'am, four number of nodes will be there.
After multiplication as a whole, 4 will be there. Is that true for each and every one? Then just check it. I'm not telling anything. What I told, that is means right. Let me write it in the chat if somebody is not listening to me. 4. Sorry, I'm every time writing something. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is my first term. My second term is 4x plus 5. Okay. So how many terms will be there as a whole? Means when initially you are doing the multiplication, then how you will calculate that how many terms will be there and all? Okay, because if I multiply with 4x, there will be, you need to multiply with you will get these many terms. Acha, if you increase another term, now suppose in both the case you have 3 terms, then how many total multiplication will be there? Definitely 9. Means for one element will be multiplied by all other elements, right? That means what? Each and individual term is your node. Each and individual term is a single node. So first you are, whenever you are dealing with the polynomial calculation, you need to form the list for each and individual equation. Means if 2 equations are there, you need to form 2 lists. So for 2 lists, yes, no need to write 9 anymore. I understood that that is 9. So what you need to do now, you need to find that in each list, using a counter variable, you may keep a track and check that how many total node is possible in the resultant list. That you may keep. Now, for the multiplication, then what is the requirement? Now, for first node value, you need to multiply. Okay. And in that case, whenever you are multiplying, and after the multiplication, if the whatever the result you are getting, what you can do, that time, see what may happen, that you may multiplying 1x square with x cube, means 1x, it is resulting x cube. So you need to check in the continuously people are admitting. So you need to check that whether this x cube is a first term or the new term or anything. If it is, form a node with this. If in the existing list already some node with this particular power information, then you add your present coefficient information with that. Means what you need to do for after each two number multiplication, obviously there will be one resultant list, means like addition and subtraction, and there you need to check whether any node exists with this power or not. If exist, then do the addition. If do not exist, just create the new node. That particular checking you need to do. And how many times you are supposed to do this multiplication or anything? Yes, maximum 9. So if 3 cross 3 means 3, 3, 2 list is there, that means in the final linked list there will be maximum 9 node. That's not minimum, that's the maximum 9 node. Fine. Obviously that can be less than that, because even if I multiply this 3x square plus 2x plus 5 with 4x plus 5, then there will be 12x cube, then 8x square plus 4x. So after multiplying this with the first node, you may create, means after each multiplication, actually you are sending the data and you are actually adding the elements. So then you need to proceed the pointer in the second list, and then you need to perform the another multiplication. So when you are performing the another multiplication, you will do 5 into 3, 15x square. Okay. So whenever you are getting this result, then you need to perform one search operation in the existing list whether there is any term with x square or not. If exists, then add it. So 15x square will be added with the 8x square. Then multiply 5 into 2x. So again search the list. Yes, there is one element already with this. So there will be 10x. So 4x will be added with the 10x. Then you will multiply 5 into 1. Now you will find whether there is already one existing node with x to the power 0 information or not. If yes, then again you perform this. If no, then you will just create another node. So as a result, the number of node will be, if I am not wrong, one is with 12x cube, another one with 23x square, and another one is with 14x, and another one is with 5. So now can you try with this? Means, did you have understood that what actually I am telling, and how you can proceed? So just try it. Obviously we will make the solution and we will give that, but before that you can give the try. Now anything else? Anything else? For so many things are seen. What I was telling, that every time I tell that if there is a problem in understanding level, you need to solve it in this phase. When you will be in means 2022, that year, this time, that's not the time to resolve this issue. Then this will become pain. At that time, at a time, you cannot learn everything. Fine, because it may happen that time only coding is there. It may happen. Maybe FT is there, whatever. Till now, nobody knew the fact that what company will do. But that much means I can suggest only this much, that you invest the time now, then only you can understand. Because we understand many people actually doing the copy paste of friends program. See, no point in submitting program in that way if you are not understanding. Anyway, any other problem is there? If no problem is there, so today we'll do the dictionary of the Python. But before that, here I can see, other than me and Oliver ma'am, more than 100 people is there. And Oliver madam, in the last class, she has discussed about the list. So now I request you to do a very simple program with Python, that is the linear search using the Python. First, try to do that. First, you try to do that simple linear search using the Python. I have shared already the PPT also, means linear search, something is known to you from the first sem. Means you have to take the array of elements, then you need to take the search element. If the element is present there, it's okay. If the element is not present there, you will print not found. That much. So that much thing you need to do only. We'll go for the dictionary, but before that I want to ask, do you know about really the least at least? So please do this program. Just now, means you will share the screen, we can check, and then I will proceed for dictionary. Means today purpose is to discuss dictionary and the searching algorithm. So I hope with C you can do easily. I think so. Still, if you have the problem, definitely we can talk about that. But first you do linear search using Python. You start doing it. Now you need to use the list. I can suggest you only that you take a list, then take the input from the user. You may use the append function to take individual input to the list, then take another input for key, then run the loop, the for loop, to check each of the key element whether that is equal to the elements which are present in the list or not. Fine. So try that. I think you can do that, right? In the last class, madam has discussed the list. So at least you try. Otherwise, we will do. There is no harm. We will do that. But before that, at least you try. Try for 5 minutes. Then obviously I will tell how to do, how can be done. We'll do this. Please try for 5 minutes. I'm waiting. And if you have any query, you definitely ask me also that.
ট্রেডমিল বাজার সাথে কিছু ফাইনাল খেলেন?
কি বললি?
কি বললো? কিছু বলিনি।
বলতে তো এটা তো 22,000 আসছে, জিজ্ঞেস করতেছে আমার জানে কেসটা। তুই কথা বলতে, আমি বলবো কথা, আমি বলবো কথা।
বলো কি আছে, ফোন নাম্বার তো দিয়েছো বাবা। ও ঘরে কি করবো?
মামাইয়ের নাম্বারটা দিয়েছে সব লিখে। এ বাবা বাবা
হুম। কি
এই একটা কোম্পানির সেটাকে পেলাম, সেন্ড করে রাখবো বহরমপুরের, ব্যাঙ্গালোর অ্যাক্সেঞ্চারের টিম লিডার।
অ্যাক্সেঞ্চারে কারোর সঙ্গে কোনো কিছু দরকার নেই।
দরকার নাই বলে তো হবে না, এখন কোম্পানিতে একটা কিছু তো জয়েন করতে হবে যখন, যেটাতে পাওয়া যায়।
কোনো ব্যাপার নেই, আমার কিছু আমাকে বলে করতে হবে নাকি?
ইনফরমেশন টেকনোলজি, আইটি পড়েছে।
So hello, what is the progress? Okay, first I can see the name Aditya. Aditya. So what is your progress? What do you think that how to do this? Because in the last class, in last theory class, I have discussed the linear search. Aditya, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So what do
ma'am,
you understand that what you need to do?
ma'am, firstly, we need to get the number of elements from the user, how many elements that need to be added in the list. Then, ma'am, we can declare the list, and then using a for loop and the append function, we can keep on increasing the list elements.
So can you share your screen? Did you have logged in from laptop and do you have the Jupyter notebook? Then you can.
Ma'am, actually, I am doing it on my mobile right now. I am just writing the rough
Okay,
code
fine.
right
Okay, fine. So anyone else? Okay, fine. I understand that you have understood.
Yes.
Next, let me check. Omravu Roy, what is your status? Are you getting the point that how to do the thing?
Ma'am, I don't have the laptop in my home. I left it in my
It's
hostel.
okay, but yeah, I understand. But from the mobile also, there are so many online compiler.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you doing that? Means, are you understand? Means, my question is that whether you can do this or not, whether you are able to do this or not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, right now I'm writing it in my copy. Then I will do it on my phone.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So once you complete, you will just instruct me and I will write in the Jupyter notebook. Fine, Amrabo. Just
Okay,
complete
ma'am.
it. Let me ask
Okay,
few others. What is your status? Ongira Chakraborty. Ongirai to pronunciation ta? Ongira.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm not. Yeah, okay, fine. So what is your status? Are you understanding that how to do this?
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying.
What you need to do, that you have understood?
No, ma'am, actually, can you repeat once?
Okay. So do you know what is the linear search?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it means? If you need to do it using the C, means in the assignment both are given. If you need to do using the C, then what you will do?
Ma'am, I have to create the list first, then input, and then after giving the input,
Where you will take the input? In case of C, where you will take the input?
in the list, linked list that I have created.
Linked list and do it using normal linear search means you can do it using the array event directly. I'm not at this moment. We didn't have discussed the linked list using the Python. We'll discuss some other day definitely. So in the C, what you will do? In the C, using array, how you will do the linear search?
I have to give the data that I have to search and that's position.
Okay. So in case of Python, which is which particular thing almost same like your particular what I can say, same like your array.
In the position, insertion position.
No. Which particular variable? I cannot say it variable. Which particular type you can use instead of array?
Integer.
Array.
I mean data type.
What should you use? List, tuple. What should you use? That is my question. Tuple or list?
It's list. Yeah, actually, the given data is tuple, ma'am.
Why not list? Why tuple? Anyway, so if you want to do it using, try to do it in that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, I can see another name, Shoheli Pal. What is your status?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your status?
Ma'am, I will try.
Yes, you will try definitely. That I have understood. But at present, what you are doing? At present, what exactly you are doing? Anyway, so let me start doing it. And please inform other friends that
Ma'am, ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, can you wait just 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
just show
okay,
you
you
my
will share.
code.
Fine, definitely.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So those who are not confident, they can do it in this way. Take one. Yes, Shondip Mahata, it's very good that it's done. You start with the binary search, then you do the interpolation search. Fine. If linear search is done, then those who have already completed the linear search, do the binary search and you will share the screen. Fine. If I have anything to tell or if somebody is having any confusion, then only we will discuss about that. Because already I have discussed the logic in the theoretical class, so nothing to do with that. Once that is done, interpolation search, I'm keeping with you only. You do those things because that is already given in the assignment area and all. So now you can share. You can share and write. If still something is pending, you start sharing and write. You want the present now option.
Ma'am, then I'm presenting.
Yeah, present.
Like a little bit error I'm getting. It's like
You present it, we will, means there are so many people, so we will sort it out together.
yeah, ma'am, my screen is visible.
Something is coming, but the program is not coming.
Yes, ma'am. Like, ma'am, I wrote this piece of code right here. Like first I declared that the number of elements, then the list, then I took the input, and then I'm just getting this error in the last line that list dot find part. Like, is there any error? Or like if I run the program, it is running properly only. Like number of elements 3, enter element 1, then 2, and then 3, then enter the key. Like if I am finding 2, then it is showing this error. List object has no attribute.
Okay, so you have directly taken that thing. You should take instead of directly writing this list list, after T, just add some other thing, means need to take a type actually. So you may write list
Okay.
A, write just list A, give a name.
List.
A means just in the second line.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am.
After that list term, just give a. Fine. Then correct it in the list dot append as a.
Okay. Uh,
See, find, you need to write the find operation, because that is basically your linear search. And here also in the append also it's list A.
oh. Okay, ma'am. List. List A. No?
Now run once, but
Ma'am. Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, fine. You also can share. Still the problem persists.
Yes,
So just
ma'am.
check somewhere, some problem may be there.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
look at all those things.
Okay, ma'am.
It's so small, means not properly visible actually. Anyway,
Yes.
okay, Sunil, whatever you want to show, you may show the thing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this one. Ma'am.
Yeah, means it's fine. And in general, I prefer that I do not directly take the list this way. I generally
ma'am.
take
Make-
another, means just a type of the list,
Yes.
because assigning the blank third bracket automatically tell that it's a list, and supposed to do the things in this way. Yes, because whenever things will be being asked to you that you need to implement, and there will be just one part that if the element is not found, that you also need to.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have put the else part but whenever it is not found, fine. It is printing the else part continuously.
Yeah. So that's a problem. I understand. But how you can solve it? In case of C, how you can solve it? Okay. So you stop sharing. So let me write for others. Then that will be helpful for them.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I have done that.
Okay, fine. If you have done fine, you start doing the binary search. There are so many people till now they are facing the problem. So is my Jupyter notebook is visible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I'm taking again. I generally take it in this way. That's my practice. So then I'm taking just the number of elements. Okay. Then I need to take the element for I in. So those who know the Python, it's okay. Those who do not know the Python, do you have any issues, or do you think that the line that I am writing, these are not correct or anything? Those who know that, they can comment, and those who don't know, they also can ask or comment anything. Then I'll proceed. If microphone is on unnecessarily, then you can off it for some time, otherwise creating unnecessary noise. Oh, forget that I am not using the C.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, like the code that that I presented on the screen right now, like I use the find function. Like the find function is exclusive for directories only, na?
Kind of means actually, see, I just ask you that don't use find. The reason is that when you are doing the search, means if I ask you to implement the linear search,
Yes, ma'am.
then you should implement it. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
If you use the inbuilt function, then there is no meaning of doing that.
Yes.
I told
Okay.
that's way only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
yes, we can use the split function for the first for loop. Then we could eliminate the.
I'm not telling that you cannot use anything. I'm just telling that those who are just in the beginning part, means those who are Python beginner, if they have gone through the linear search program of the C, I'm just trying to do a map kind of thing, so that they no need to indulge their brain, and they should not take a huge pressure. If you know it, you can do. Yes, you also you can share your screen, and you can show that part also. That will be, as we are in the Google Meet, so everything is allowed, and that's why we are in the Google Meet actually. I think only this much. I think things are okay, right? I'm not finding any problem. Anyway, I do many times the silly mistake. So let's check. Let's check first. If the error is there, then need to make corrections. Okay. So obviously, as per the logic of the linear search, 2 is the element, and 2 is at index position 2, so that's get printed. Just run for another time. And let me search one element which is not here. Fine. So Sunil, your that not found issue, you can deal with in this way. Now, someone else is telling something. Okay, now you tell whatever the things you are telling. I just make you stop there. You want to split or something you are telling, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, what is your suggestion? Do you want to share the code with all?
No, ma'am, I have not used the split function. Now only I got to know. Then if we could use the split function, then the complexity of that program will decrease, the time complexity for the.
Do you know that time see how just tell me what is the time complexity of this algorithm?
And
N. Okay.
yes.
So where you want to use the split? Okay, I am stopping sharing of this code. You share the code because so far I know or many people know the time complexity do not depends on the programming languages. Fine. So anyway, you share the code.
Ma'am, I have not used till now. Ma'am, I because in earlier classes, sir, I saw sir that he used the split function. He took the input in a string
What I am telling that we can do many things. I am not telling that whether you have to do that or whether you need to do this. I am not telling all those things. I am just telling that this is the same version, almost like the C. But if anyone asks that what is the time complexity of linear search, time complexity do not depend on the machine, do not depend on the programming language.
Okay.
Time complexity is a concept. It's based on the algorithm.
Okay.
So if you want to share, that would be good. Then I can make you understand that no, it's only about that only. So anyway, now anyone want to share the binary search code?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this code is too lengthy. I think the if else on the last part, that's not needed. A flag just not needed, ma'am.
Okay, so if I write it here, then what you will write in the else part? So tell me whatever the modification you want. I'm just making a similarity with the C program. I'm continuously repeating the same thing. So what you want, that I should remove the flag from here. Okay.
Yes, and here we print the found it at I.
Yes, definitely I can do that. But what about the else part?
Else part should be okay. Else
what about the not found part? That's my question.
Not found part will be the else part only, not in the for part. Not in not my. I think I'm saying that it should not be in the loop actually.
So what should I write? That's my question. Means what should I write? I agree that yes, you can obviously, but
you erase that. Here you write else.
Means outside the
loop you should
how I can write only one else without a if?
Ma'am, I have done that code and it's running.
So you are telling that I should write it in this way.
No, I think he's asking for the for else too. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What to write? What you want? Just tell me.
I have done this way. Actually, I have done this way in my laptop.
So then if you want to share, you may share, or whatever you are telling me, just tell me where what to write. If you ask me that yes, you write it.
Ma'am, this code is right. I think you should run once.
Okay.
Ma'am, the indentation might go wrong actually. The else should be following the indentation.
Okay.
Then the print.
Okay. Now I can run.
No, ma'am. Actually,
okay. Whatever you have done, do you want this part? Means what you want? Means till now I'm not understanding what actually you are wanting. I have shown just one style that is almost means that is exactly same to the C version. Because those who have understood the C version, then they can relate with that. My purpose is only that. But now whatever your suggestion, all the suggestions are welcome. So what you want, where I should write the else? Tell me that.
Ma'am, this else part should be outside the loop.
Then my else should be in this, is the...
Yes, ma'am.
If the else is outside the loop, then it would not run because there is no if statement for that outside.
That is the point I am telling, but he is not agreed with that. Okay, I stop sharing. You share your screen. Whatever you want to say, I stop my sharing.
Ma'am, actually, I mean,
share your screen. You share your screen.
It's in laptop and I have no access in laptop actually.
Okay, so you just revert your camera of the mobile so that everyone can see that.
Do you see that, ma'am?
Almost, but not properly visible. So there is a if and there is a else, but you are suggesting me that without that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, flag is not needed here, so we can sort the code.
Sort the code you have.
No, ma'am. Actually, the lines of codes are actually reduced by this.
That's a different issue, but you told me that if I do the things in Python using some other function, then this will reduce the complexity. No, you may say that it will reduce the number of lines. The time complexity never depends on the number of lines.
No, I just want to reduce the lines also. Nothing time complexity will be not reducing because it is so depends on the whatever is done, linear search or binary search.
Time complexity depend on the basic operation, and basic operation is whatever the things you are using that actually doing the individual comparison. Okay, so now can anybody tell me, anybody have done already the binary search? Anybody has done already the binary search?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so the person who have done the binary search can share the screen. Can you share the screen?
Yes, ma'am. And now the screen is visible.
It's coming. So for others who didn't have gone through the maybe the PPTs or the YouTube lecture, just let me tell. So for binary search, my basic input must be the sorted array, and in the sorted array, you need to calculate a middle position. Once you find the middle position, and you need to ask user that which particular element the user want to find, and then they need to check whether that is less than this or greater than this. Means whether the search element is less than the middle element or the greater than the middle element or equals to the middle element. If it is equals to the middle element, then your job is done. If it is not equals to the middle element, then either it will go to the left side or it will go to the right side. So if it need to go to the left side, means if it is smaller than the middle element, then your search space will be reduced only in the left part. In that case, the high must be changed to mid -1. Or in the opposite case, that you are understanding that your key member means the search element may be in the right side of the middle element. That means you need to search only in the right part. Then your search space only will be in the right part. In that case, the low will be changed to the mid +1. So that is the logic. Now, check whatever he has done.
And the code is visible.
Yes, code is visible. I have just repeated for everyone. If
Okay, ma'am.
okay, list. Okay, so anyone else who didn't have done, it's okay. So you are getting the output also. So nothing
Yes.
problem or no problem is there. Now anyone else, if they are having any problem,
So
they
should
can
I stop
point out.
sharing the
Yeah,
screen?
yes, you should carry on. Means the screen should be on, so that if anyone can tell it. If anyone else is having any problem, okay. So no such problem is found. Okay, no one is telling anything. I don't know what people want or anything. Okay. So I think no problem is there. So you can stop sharing now. In the assignment, the interpolation search also may be there. So anyway, so do all those things. These are important, and as there will be online or offline, whatever the operations are there, that is the lab exam, whatever they have decided to take during the midterm, C and Python both will be there. Anyway, so now let me start with another thing. Means along with the list and tuple, that part was not done in the last class, that Oliver ma'am told me. So we'll start with dictionary actually. So what is dictionary? Again, it's an unordered sequence of key and value pair. Fine. I feel very interesting this topic. Means I feel this topic is very interesting because it's a little bit different. I'm not habituated with this before. I have gone through the Python. So what you need to do is Aryan or someone else. Okay, Aryan, I will check it. Obviously, I will check it. So dictionary is something unordered sequence of key and value pairs. Okay, fine. Indices in a dictionary can be of any immutable type, and they are called keys. Now, can anybody tell me that what is the meaning of the term immutable?
Ma'am, we cannot
Cannot be changed or updated.
in, inside the bracket, or something that we cannot change the value, and the values cannot be.
Okay.
The memory ones located can't be changed.
Okay. So can anybody tell me that how you can get the memory or something of any element in Python? Memory address or means some, what I can say, one identification number, how I can get that for any particular variable or any object? Is there any such function? Means by which you can determine that yes, this is. Anyway, so that's not point of discussion. Try it with the ID, the term ID, the ID, and pass it through that, and you can get that. So we'll start with one dictionary. Consider that is a month dictionary. So let me share it and we'll discuss about. I don't understand why people are coming to the class 1 hour late. And if they are not interested, let not come. I don't understand. Okay, anyway, so this is the last output that is there already. So I can take one dictionary like month. In fact, just show the syntax and what are the operations can be done. And we can start it with the empty dictionary with this second bracket. And then we can assign the value like this. I'm taking 3 values, will not waste the time more. Fine. So now if I want to print it, let's check whether only writing the month will work or not. Yes, it's working. And you can see that you have declared this as this empty, and with this couple of braces, it indicates that it's a dictionary. And then when one want to print, it's coming in this way. That is key value pair. The indices in the dictionary can be of any immutable type, which are called keys. So these are your keys, 1, 2, 3 keys, and these are your values. It's a key value pair. Now if you want to know that whatever I told, that this month is declared as a dictionary, is this correct? Let's check. If I write that is the type of the month that I am using, it's showing that it's dictionary. Okay. So this is just the thing that when you want to use this kind of key value pair, you can use this. Okay. So now, can you tell me, means those who know, or with your common sense, can anybody tell me that there is a chance that you can print only the keys, or you can print only the values? Is it possible? Okay, let's check.
From the dictionary, we can there is a where we can write like month dot keys, where it will only display the key, the variables of the key.
Okay, fine. Yes, that way. So anyway, we'll take another example because I have already deleted. What I can take. Let's take now another example like fruits and their price. Fine. Means I'm directly writing both the values. Okay. Apples তো প্রচুর দাম, লিখে ফেলি 200. Next, another one. Suppose this I'm taking only this. So how I can access each and everything? So whatever he told, that if I do price dot keys, what it will give? This. See, what I have told at the beginning, this my dictionary concept is a key value pair. So first item is the key, so you are getting this. Okay. So if I want to know only the values, so will it work? Let's check. Yes, it's working. Fine. If I want to print as a whole everything, yes, it will print. All the dictionary items will be printed in this way. Okay. So now, if I want to search or I want to know some specific information about something, means if I write now price of orange. What is orange? Orange is a key of the price dictionary. Okay. So if I do that, yes, it's giving its value. That means whether two values are equal or not, whether anything else is there or not, means if you want to search, if you want to compare, you can do that using dictionary this way. So just another type actually. If you want to use key value pair, you can do it. Now, what are the operations you may try with this? Everything, let it be there. Can I count or can I find the length? Okay, let's check. If I use the alien function that we have already used from various things. So, len price 3, yes, 3 elements are there. Len return number of key value pairs in a dictionary. Okay. Is the indexing that particular thing, the way you have, the way you can access the list element, can you use it there? Guys. It's not there. So that means if I directly give the 1, it's not supposed to give anything. That means indexing do not works there. Or where is the problem? Or what should I give? Should I give this thing? Yes. See, that 1, 2, whatever, the normal way the array elements are being accessed or anything, the list elements are being accessed, if you give that directly, that is a problem. But if you give it in this way, because here the key elements are behaving like the index, that is the key through which you can access the thing. Fine. So now if there are numbers only, then you can perform the max operation, mean operation, sum, that is the summation operation. If things are number based only, fine. If the keys are numbered, then only you can do, because sum is also being performed over the keys, not with the values. Okay. Now if you want to delete, or if you means you want to delete the key value pair, or suppose you want to do something more with that, that is you may want to update the value, what you can do? If you want to delete, okay. So if you want to delete, what is there? Del function is there. Fine. So we'll not get the result basically. Let's get orange gets deleted. Okay. So this way you can delete this. Now if you want to update, the information, how you can do that?
Ma'am, actually here using that values, can I delete the whole key? Means that whole
See,
process.
everything is being done with the keys. Are you getting anything that with the values you can do anything here? Till now, whatever the things I have shown you, in each case, you are getting that you are doing everything with the key, and this pair, the first one is the key, second one is the value. Now, if you want to extract the value, then there is a function get. Get function is there to extract the value corresponding to a given key. Or you can directly directly get the value with means that that we have seen already, that even if I give using the third bracket and the key value, you can get the particular key normally. But there is another function get, where the first parameter can be used to specify the key and second parameter is specified that what value must be returned if the key is not found. So am I able to answer your question?
Yes.
Or you, and if you want to delete the entire thing, nothing is there. See, entire thing is deleted.
Yes.
Fine, you can delete the entire dictionary also. But if you specify the key, then you are actually deleting a specific key. Okay.
Specificity as well as the value. Okay.
Yes, means key always associated with its value.
Yes, ma'am.
Key is always associated with its value. Fine, the key is the marker here. Okay. So this is the basic thing. Now that get function is there, only another parameter that if nothing is being there, then what to do with that? Means what must be returned. That is the part. Means if I now try to do the get, suppose I am doing price is my dictionary name. So price dot get. Let's do something with this. Remember, then if it's found, okay. If it's not found, then it should be -1. Okay. Means this -1 is also your choice. Okay. Now suppose I am asking for something else. -1. If I give it 80, for example, if I give, will give that. So that means there is a thing which extract the value, but if it is not available, then it will give a default value. If required, use them. Okay. Next, how you can update. How you can update the content. Okay, price is already there. More price, maybe another. I'm taking some more values also. Let's take some vegetables. জানি না 80 টাকাও কেজি হতে পারে। Anyway, so I'm taking these two maybe. Then, how you can update then? Means can I do directly price equals to more price or price plus more price like that? In that way it may not work. But there is option that you can do this price dot update that you can do, and then take the value of the price. See, this way you can update. Now can you copy? Yes, you can copy. You can copy this one in another one. So these are the basic functions of the dictionary. Now this much actually. Now whatever the program, whenever we will do the program either in this class or based on this we do the mode program actually in the PPT class. These are only just for knowing purpose in case of data structure lab that all these things are exist, so we need to do. So Oliva madam, Oliva acho? Oliva?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম মিউট হয়ে গেছিল হ্যাঁ ম্যাম
Okay. So if they have no other doubt, anything else you want to add?
No, I think ma'am whatever assignments are given in the hackathon all have been covered.
Okay, fine. So all of you now can start.
Only the thing is you also have to implement other search methods like
Exactly. Yes, I have just discussed few of the things so
Yes.
that they can try, because for the interpolation only the formula is different. So
Yes, so you have to implement that in
so
the
you just paste the attendance link here and HackerRank link in the Telegram group and here both.
Okay, so attendance link is already given. Please give your attendance first. After that,